Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the clip's current frame rate and resolution so you know the target. Open your editor or FFmpeg terminal and import the duplicate file. Never work on the original. Once imported, set the project frame rate to your desired value so timeline playback matches intent. Make sure clip interpretation settings are visible. This is where you change how frames are read. If using FFmpeg, prepare the command skeleton now. If in an NLE, locate clip properties to retime. Now you modify how the software treats frames. Choose frame interpolation for smooth motion when increasing FPS because it synthesizes in between frames. If you're lowering FPS, select frame dropping or blending to prevent judder. This reduces frame count evenly. Once done, preview a 5-10 second section at full quality to verify motion looks natural. Make sure audio stays synced. If retiming changes duration noticeably, apply time stretch compensation or re-export audio to you're ready to export. Set the export frame rate to the project's new FPS and pick a codec that supports constant or variable frame rates as required. Once exported, check the file's metadata to confirm FPS and test playback on target devices. If you see stutter or artifacts, retry using a different interpolation method, increase bitrate, or render at an intermediate frame rate, then transcode. Remember, small FPS shifts under 5% often need no interpolation. Larger changes benefit from optical flow or dedicated plugins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.